Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I've got something new here. It is a mystery box, or they called it a mystery box, but it came in a bag.
It's a mystery padded envelope.
It is from Ace Beaute. They were doing these for Black Friday, or they started doing them early. They might still have them on the site. I will put down here if they're still doing them, if they're still available. I got the $47 one, and it's supposed to have $160 worth of products, and I think there's supposed to be 5 products in here. There is a larger one. I don't remember the price. I will put it here. I think there's supposed to be 10 products in it. And yeah, I thought I would get one because I love Ace Beaute. Now, they did say that they are all unique. I mean, like if you got 2 of them, you would probably most likely get different items in them. So that was cool.
They're all unique?
Not all of them, but I mean, they try to make them each different. Like I said, if you got 2 of them, they would most likely be different stuff. Now, the only problem is I have a lot of Ace Beaute stuff, especially palettes, so chances are I might get something I already have. So that's the chance I took by getting this. So,
that's how they get you.
Yeah, that's how they get me. So, okay, I am just going to reach my hand in here, and ooh. Okay, first thing I'm pulling out is, yay, a pair of lashes.
More lashes.
Yeah, and it comes with glue.
It's a fancy looking box.
These are magnetic lashes, too. Let me take them out of the bag.
But what if your eyes aren't made of metal?
This is magnetic lash glue. These are what they look like. And yeah, I'm excited to try these. So I've never tried magnetic lashes before. These will be really, really cool.
If they really were magnetic, and then you got like a strip of metal implanted in your eyelid just along the lash line, then they just right on.
Okay, we are off to a good start. Let's see what else I got. Uh-oh. Feels like I have a lot of lashes in here. Okay, we've got another pair of lashes. I don't care. I love getting lashes. So just know that if you're getting these boxes, you might get lots of lashes.
Is it the exact same kind?
No.
Oh, okay.
Are they? No, these are a little longer. But I will tell you, I think I felt another pair of lashes in there. That's okay. I am low on lashes right now. Of course, I just bought that big thing of lashes. Okay. And yes, another pair of lashes. Oh, that means our mailman is here.
Perimeter alarm's going off.
We bought that when we thought somebody was stealing our mail. Okay, good. Okay, it's fine because I feel there is 2 eyeshadow palettes in here. So these are a little different. And I love dramatic lashes. See, I'm wearing dramatic lashes today.
Very dramatic.
So these are the 3 pairs of, they are all magnetic lashes. These are all the 3 pairs of lashes that I got.
It'd be kind of annoying if they were all the same kind.
Yeah. One looks like wispy lashes, one looks like full dramatic lashes, and one looks like kind of your regular pair of lashes. Okay, now for the big boy. Okay, yeah, there are 2 palettes in here, and I do not have either of these palettes.
Good deal. And fortunately, it looks like they're not 2 of the same palette.
Yeah, they're not. I don't have any of these rectangular palettes. Okay, I'm gonna pause while I open this. Okay, I got the Ace Beaute Classical Paradise. And I got the Ace Beaute Blossom of Passion. So let's do some swatches. Okay, oh, this is right up my alley. Look at that, pinks and purples.
Cool.
Okay, let's try some of these.
Beauty, Love, Peony, and Dahlia.
Those are beautiful. Let me turn the lights down. I always push the wrong dang button.
There we go.
Yeah, there we go. So some very beautiful, cool colors. I brought my trusty wipes out in case I did get some palettes. Now you can get some lip products too, and not just lashes. They have other products that they might put in their mystery bags, mystery boxes, whatever.
Ooh, seduction.
So this is, oops, this is like a plummy purple. I tried to blend it out with the red color. I'm sorry. But that's like a plummy purple there. That is like a red right there. And this carnation color looks interesting too. Right there. Okay, let's take a look at this shimmer called Orchid. Oh, that's really nice looking. So yeah, I am real happy to get this. Okay. Aaron, you want to show them this one?
Ooh. This is the Ace Beaute Classical Paradise.
Oh, I've been wanting this one too.
It looks like that. It's kind of got some greens and browns and shimmers and all sorts of stuff. Sort of autumny.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay, awesome.
Harvest. Rye, barley, sunflower, maize, golden apple, May. Vegetation, earth, harvest, clay, mineral, soil.
Oh, there's an awesome green and yellow color in this. These are some great fall colors.
Old MacDonald had a palette.
Look at those colors. Oh, this one is really good. And an orange too.
This is interesting because it's got a fall theme, but it doesn't really have a lot of browns in it.
I think that's a brown. Right?
Yeah.
Is it?
Dark brown. Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. I think it's a good selection.
Look at some of these metallics.
Those look nice.
Those are really nice. I am really glad I got this. I think
that's sunflower, barley, and May.
I think they are doing a Black Friday sale right now too, as I am filming this. And these palettes might be on sale as well.
At press time.
At press time, yeah. And their lashes are probably on sale as well.
So is this part of like a series of ones here?
Yeah, it's like their
a set?
Paradise Fallen
Paradise
series.
Fallen. Oh, I see. Oh.
So, yeah.
Blossom Passion. That sounds like a tea.
I thought it was a good.
Nice cup of Blossom Passion. Oh, they're both very nice.
Yeah, so... Yeah, some of y'all will look at this and say 3 pairs of lashes and 2 palettes for $40. I think when I bought them, they were $40. It was a $45 box. And y'all are like, no, that's not for me. But I see the value in this. So
I think this, hopefully that's not typical though, because I think there's probably a lot of people that would be annoyed if they got 3 lashes.
yeah, I can understand that. I can absolutely understand that. So it's up to...
And now, you decide.
So, like, if you're watching this and you're like, no, that's not for me, well, at least I showed you. Now you know. So...
And knowing's half the battle.
And knowing is half the battle. So, where did the little color
What's the
saver
other
go?
half? The battle?
Where did the other color saver go? Okay, so that is that. And yeah, okay. I will leave a link to Ace Beaute down in my description box if you're interested. It's not affiliated or anything.
Which is down below.
It is not affiliated or anything like that. And yeah, you can shop their Black Friday sale and like that. I'm just putting it down there for ease of use for you. And yeah, I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. It would really help out and push this video out to other viewers like yourself, telling them, hey, you might like this video. And if you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron. We do subscription box unboxings. I do lots of makeup material. I also throw in some cooking videos here and there and some mental health, talking about mental health sometimes. If you like any of that or say all that, I would love it if you would hit subscribe. I forgot where it was. And hit that.
I just like that. I like that.
And hit that notification bell, set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So, what else? Okay, if you are having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And we will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.